It's about the respect, the working environment, and whether or not they feel part of their future.
The NDP has entered its transition period, going from opposition to government. And now Premier Designate Wab Kinew has identified the people that will help him transition from NDP leader to Premier of Manitoba. Kinew's transition team, detailed Friday, includes 11 people made up of members that span the province geographically and come from various backgrounds. People like Dr. Eric Jacobson.
The NDP has been very clear that there are multiple focus points of how to improve the healthcare. Some can be faster, some will take years.
The cardiac anesthesiologist and ICU doctor who works at both St. Boniface and the Health Sciences Centre says the NDP have been clear about their goals to attract and retain medical professionals to the province. He says the new government needs to execute a massive overall shift in healthcare to help the system reach its full potential, which he believes is immense.
I think it's not a secret that most healthcare workers felt disenfranchised in the last 7 years and felt that local and provincial leadership really didn't hear them. So I think a big push is going to be, what can we do to acutely or start affecting culture while the infrastructure matters, recruitment can be looked after.
The transition team also includes CEO Joy Kramer from the Southern Chiefs organization, Ash Moda, CEO of Medetta Clothing, Mike Spence, the Mayor of Churchill, and Tanya Paulson, Executive Director of the Manitoba Building Trades.
I think it's an exciting time for Manitobans.
Kevin Rebeck, president of the Manitoba Federation of Labor, also tapped by Kinew to sit on the advisory team. He says the previous PC government ignored labor union during its tenure, hurting workers and the province with its unwillingness to bargain in good faith and provide adequate living wages, saying he's looking forward to change.
For the last 7 years, workers' voices has been shut out of the legislature. So it's nice to be invited back in to be able to raise worker issues and priorities and talk with this government about how we can represent all Manitobans.
He too feels the province will benefit from the NDP government, as the unwillingness to work and have dialogue with labor unions and leadership by the PCs stunted Manitoba's growth.
To me, it means that we're going to build our economy together, and that everyday workers can get a fair shake and a fair deal and have their voices heard and have their issues heard and have the public services that they count on be there for them.
In Winnipeg, Morgan Majeski, City News.